Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how we fit in Rome, Cinque Terre and Florence together in our trip. I'll take you through our itinerary and show you how we traveled from one place to another, how many days we spent at each place, and how to book tickets to both attractions and trains. We came to Italy from Slovenia, arriving first in Trieste. From there, we took the fast train Italo to Florence and we started our trip there. Our Italo train ride from Trieste to Florence was very comfortable. We arrived in Florence in the morning and from there we just had to walk to our hotel because it was very close by. Welcome to Italy. I'll attach the link to the property that we stayed in the description. After checking in, we headed straight to the Central Market. It is also known as Mercato Centrale, and it was very close to our hotel as well. We grabbed something to eat there on the ground floor, but at the time we didn't realize that the first floor had some of the best food options. Mercato Centrale, Central Market of Florence. So if you do visit, definitely go upstairs and explore. I am attaching a few video clips here for you to get a glimpse of the market. There was also a live cooking class happening which looked really interesting.
Next class, 31st March.
Now about getting tickets to attractions. We couldn't book anything online because everything was sold out as it was Easter holidays and it was super crowded. But don't worry. You can still get tickets if you go in the morning to the offline official ticket counter that is located very near to the bell tower, also known as the Giotto Tower. Here's the video clip of the official ticket counter. I hope you are able to locate it if you need it. We got the Giotto pass. We couldn't get the Duomo pass because it was sold out, but it was the second best pass. And honestly, it was worth it. You can see in the video that the bell tower itself was crowded as well. But from the top, you get an amazing view of Florence, including people standing on top of the Duomo. And entry to the church is free, so that means that you can look at the Duomo, but not up close. For Academia Gallery also, the tickets were sold out online, but we managed to buy them offline from the ticket counter that was located directly opposite to the Academia Gallery. However, keep in mind that for both the Bell Tower, Academia and even for Duomo, you need to select the time slot. A couple of tips here. Never pick a time near closing hours because if you're late getting in, they might rush you out before you've had time to explore. Also, before booking, make sure what time slots you're getting at each place so that they don't overlap. After spending 3 amazing days and 2 nights in Florence, we took an evening train to La Spezia, where we stayed for 2 nights. La Spezia was just our base for the night, since our main plan was to explore Cinque Terre. We did Cinque Terre in one day. We spent the entire day hiking and taking trains through all 5 villages. Instead of rushing back late at night to return to Rome, we had planned to stay in La Spezia for another night so we could rest and leave for Rome the next morning. If you want to see exactly how we covered all 5 villages in one day, we have made a video for it, and I'll put the link to that video in the description. Booking your train tickets. Since we traveled between multiple cities, booking the right train was very important. There are two high-speed options, Italo and Trenitalia. But Trenitalia is the better choice between Rome and La Spezia because it has a direct route with no train changes and it takes just 3 to 4 hours. I'm showing you how you can navigate Trenitalia website to book your tickets from either La Spezia to Rome or from Rome to La Spezia. If you book early, tickets can go as low as 16.9 euros. So the sooner you book, the better price you get. Now just to summarize, we started in Florence, then took a train to La Spezia, our gateway to Cinque Terre, and then we took a fast train from La Spezia to Rome. Of course, you can do it the other way around too, starting in Rome, then La Spezia, and ending in Florence. Either way, the key is booking the right train. If you have any questions, please feel free to write them in the comment box and I'll definitely get back to you. I really hope this video helps you in some way, and if it does, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy travels!